right, so that got that one done. Ended up being a simple one. I got stuck in her driveway back in. She had to pull me forward out of that, and then I barely got back out. It's starting to warm up a little bit. We're up to 16 now, so it must be softening up the snow a little bit. She had that real fine pea gravel stone, which doesn't get any traction. So batteries changed, got it scheduled. As you've seen in there, she had 19 hours of runtime on it. That's all it's ran now for the last 18, 19, 20, 21. For the last 4 years, it's ran 19 hours. So we got scheduled up for in the summertime when it's decent weather. Like I said, I don't like those clamps. I prefer the kind that you can solder on. They make a nice, good connection. But I didn't want to come all the way across town to go get it. So anyhow, that's just one of the simple things. So my advice to anyone out there that has a generator, as far as homeowners, the only thing I recommend is keep your battery changed every 4 years. If you don't want to, that's up to you. You can pay somebody to come out at nighttime or on the weekend, and you can pay twice as much. You know, you can just be proactive and get it taken care of. The cost of the generator is very costly, so a couple bucks for a battery is not that much money when you look at it in the realm of things. So anyhow, that's going to wrap that one up. If you like it, you know what to do. Until next time, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.